Close your eyes and embark on a journey to discover the ultimate student accommodation experience, a place that goes far beyond a simple room. Welcome to Kerr Parade Auburn Student Accommodation in Sydney. Nestled in a vibrant and thriving neighborhood, this property offers an array of beautifully styled, move-in-ready studio apartments. Each room is designed to be your sanctuary, featuring a snug double bed, a Wi-Fi-enabled study station, ample storage space, a private bathroom with an in-unit laundry system, and a fully equipped kitchenette for those moments of culinary creativity. But it doesn't end there. The property boasts an outdoor communal terrace, perfect for soaking up the sun, and with air conditioning and heating, you'll stay comfortable year-round. For those days when you seek solace, a serene garden is just the spot to unwind with a cup of coffee. Reach top universities like the University of Sydney and Western Sydney University with ease, all just a short drive away. And when it's time to satisfy your culinary cravings, Thai Garden Restaurant is just a short walk away, while the popular Jasmine One Lebanese restaurant is just a quick drive from the property. Your journey begins at Kerr Parade Auburn. Book your space today at amberstudent.com and elevate your student life to new heights of comfort and convenience.